In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main homepage of your account. Once you've landed there, take a moment to get oriented. The area we need is easy to access, and everything begins from the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the screen. From that left side area, look for the search bar. Right next to it, you'll see a lightning icon. Go ahead and click that icon. This opens a quick action menu, which is a fast way to jump directly into common tasks without having to browse through multiple sections of the platform. It's a real time saver, especially if you're adding contacts regularly. When the quick action menu appears, click on Add a new contact. This will open the contact creation form where you can enter the details for the person you want to add into the system. The form is straightforward, but it's important to fill it out carefully so your contact records stay clean and useful. Start by entering the first name. After that, add the last name. These basic details help identify the contact clearly, especially if you're managing a large list. Next, enter the email address, followed by the phone number. Be sure to type these accurately since contact information is often used for communication, automations, and follow-up inside Gohighlevel. Even a small typo can cause issues later, so it's worth double-checking before moving on. After that, choose the contact type. This helps categorize the person correctly within your CRM, which can make filtering and organization much easier down the line. Then set the time zone. This is especially helpful if you plan to send messages, schedule appointments, or run automations based on the contact's local time. Once all the fields are filled in, review the information one last time to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, click Save. That's it. The new contact will now be added to your Gohighlevel account. This is a simple process, but it's an important one because accurate contact entries help keep your CRM organized and make future communication much smoother. If you're adding multiple contacts following the same method each time, can help maintain consistency across your database. And that's how to add a contact in Gohighlevel.